My name's Julie Larson-Green. I'm Chief Technology Officer for Magic Leap. We've built Magic Leap 2 to be the most immersive augmented reality device on the market for enterprise. Not only is it lighter, faster, and has more compute power, we've also improved the field of view dramatically. It's a 70-degree field of view. We have an array of cameras and sensors, including PMD's time-of-flight sensor that gives the device real-world understanding.
PMD is the pioneer in 3D time-of-flight imaging, and what we have developed together with our partner Infineon is the 3D image sensor that is used in the Magic Leap 2 to give it a human-like understanding of space and motion around it. You can then use that information, place the virtual object inside the real world, and you can even walk around the object because we permanently track the 3D information around the device.
Our latest Real 3D product generation enables an up to 8 times higher resolution. It includes an integrated eye safety feature, which makes, at the end of the day, the system much smaller, while it can capture more details about what happens in the real world surrounding.
This is important because if you're placing digital content into physical space, you want to be able to interact with it accurately and you want it to stay there. So as you reach out and touch it, it's where you think it's going to be.
With our time-of-flight technology, we measure the time it takes for the light signal that we transmit to go to the object and come back to the camera in real time with millimeter precision. And we generate over 300,000 precise 3D points, and they are used for environmental scanning, object and surface detection, gesture control, and also to detect occlusions in the image.
This is in order to make these devices we're daily interacting with aware of the context they are in to serve our needs even better.
It makes it feel much more immersive, especially with our text legibility, image quality, and color fidelity. We're focused on public sector, healthcare, and industrial use cases. It's a tool for work. It helps people bring digital content into the physical world to improve training scenarios, operating room scenarios, and manufacturing scenarios.
What we've built at HoloOne is a truly off-the-shelf product for integrating mixed reality into industrial companies. So being able to show step-by-step instructions to help guide users through maintenance procedures and troubleshooting sessions. And it's devices like the Magic Leap 2 that really help providing an experience that's even more and more close to what one would expect from real life.
We're working on making our vision of the 5 human senses being emulated through semiconductors on any kind of electronics become a reality.
Mixed reality will democratize the access to adequate healthcare. So right now, for navigation in the OR, you need expensive and large-scale systems. So we now have been able to shrink this whole concept into a pocket size, or precisely a head-mounted size, that allows surgery to be conducted anywhere in the world at a reasonable cost.
The mixed reality software from BrainLab helps us to plan the surgery before the surgery starts. About 50% of the time is spared because the planning before surgery without the patient in the OR, in anesthesiology, happens in my office.
And that's basically what mixed reality will be able to facilitate. So it's just the beginning of a very exciting journey.
Magic Leap 2 will be first to market with something we call dynamic dimming. With 32 layers on our optical stack that we can turn off individually, we're able to put a dark field behind digital objects in the physical world. So you can make them brighter and more natural with the rest of the physical content.
The PMD technology really is the coolest 3D technology on the market, and the reason is that we can handle background light like no other competitor from us. We have a patented SPI technology that we have developed over 15 years now, and that is really unique in the market. What it gives you in the device is a dynamic range that is amazing. It's really very flexible and robust, and this is something that you definitely need in industrial and robotics applications. And this is something that only PMD can bring.
And the best news is that is only another beginning, by far not yet the end.
It's a really exciting time.